Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials, now start pairing. Bring your iPhone close, pull the Airtag tab, and follow the on-screen pairing prompts. This registers the device to your Apple ID. Once done, give it a clear name like car so it appears immediately in Find My. Make sure Find My and location services are enabled. Without them, you won't track. Place the AirTag where it won't be visible to thieves but still gets a signal. Glove box or under seat mount works well. Once paired, configure tracking. Open Find My, select the AirTag, and enable Notify when left behind so you get alerts if you walk away. If your iPhone has a U1 chip, turn on precision finding to get on-screen distance and direction. This makes close-range recovery faster. Test it in a parking lot, walk away, trigger the notification, then use precision finding to confirm directional accuracy. Also secure the AirTag with a mount or magnet to prevent rattling and maintain consistent signal. Finish by permanently securing the AirTag and running a real-world test. Drive, park, and walk away to confirm alerts and location accuracy. Make sure you check the battery icon periodically. Replace the CR2032 coin cell when it drops near empty. If the AirTag stops appearing, first restart your iPhone, then remove and repair the AirTag. If it's missing, enable lost mode to show contact info. One troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.